Look at my sunburn. Look at that. Look at the difference. That actually looks a lot. Why is it hella more on one side? What's up, y'all? Today is May 19th. It is like 8:20 a.m. and I am on my way to Hangtown, round one of the Nationals, baby. Flying solo dolo, no Kelly, no baby today. It's gonna be pretty hot for a 5.5-month-old baby to watch the races, but I'm pretty excited riding solo. I always go to these races by myself. I don't really have any friends. Who are into racing like that, so I just go to these things by myself. Kelly was coming with me, like she went with me to the Monster Cup in Las Vegas, but that was before we had the baby, and so it's a lot harder with the baby now. But once Isla's a little older, I'm gonna get her some little ear muffs and take her with me. But other than that, yeah, flying solo dolo. Got my big jug of water. Didn't bring any food because I'll probably eat there if I have to, but I'm trying not to. But just saw a sign that says I'm a mile away. Getting there pretty quick. I take the back roads. You can take the freeway, but I was looking on Google Maps one time and there's actually a back road that leads like from where we live, like right to the place, which is pretty cool because it's called Hangtown. It's a national track, but it's also part of a off-road like a state park, so you can bring like your fucking dune buggies, your trucks, your bikes. You can bring all kinds of shit, and it's like acres and acres of land where you can just have fun. But I'm pulling into Hangtown now, so catch up with y'all in a minute.
So was that the here very late in his first practice session.
What's up, y'all? So that was Hangtown. Didn't really do too much vlogging because, like, I don't know, I just went to Supercross and like I went into the pits and it's all the same bikes, it's all the same rigs, so it's kind of like, why film something that I literally just filmed like a couple months ago? So I didn't do any vlogging. And then when I was sitting there, it's just too hot, and then you're like really close to the action. Like you can literally, like, I got hit by dirt where at one of the parts I was standing, one of the turns, but it's too hard to vlog. It's like way too loud, like when there's literally like 40 bikes flying all around you, makes it pretty loud. But I got a little bit of footage. I'm not gonna make this like a whole vlog just about Hangtown. gonna go to my parents right now. My mom is watching Isla, so I actually need to stop at the house and pick up her baby seat adjuster thing. That way, you know, I could put her in the back seat. So I'm about to do that and then head over to my parents' house. I don't know what they're eating, but I told them I'm gonna be chilling there for a while because I'm hella hungry. Haven't ate anything all day. I did drink some water. Was gonna stop at my house, but then thank God I actually looked in the back seat and realized that her car seat's already in there, so I don't need to stop at my house. So I'm just gonna go straight to my parents' house. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but I thought it was pretty funny. I was like already planning, like already gonna go to my house, and then it would have been like, for what? I would have felt like a fool. Just a big old idiot. What's up, y'all? It's like 2 in the morning right now. About to go to bed, but I just wanted y'all to see. Look at my sunburn. Look at that. Look at the difference. It actually looks a lot. Why is it hella more on one side? It actually looks a lot more red on the screen than it does in real life. Like, look. Because I didn't have no, that's pretty red. I didn't have no sun lotion, and I didn't buy any. Jesus Christ. That's like completely. Hopefully I don't die.
So what?
You hear what Jason said?
What?
You got you on TV?
No. No. He's gonna have to.
Yeah, she said, you know what?
You saw when you get pierced, she's like, Jasmine needed it the other day to clean her.
Oh yeah.
When did she get pierced?
She has 2 nose piercings.
Yeah.
But no.
But she got that other one.
Oh yeah. The cartilage.
Yeah, and she needed it.
Tell him.
What I was saying was, she mentioned that people do body shots off of random people at bars, you know? She's like, you don't know what's in those belly buttons, and she said something. And then I came back and I was like, yeah, you know, there could be like guys dried up jizz in there.
Like spring break.
Yeah, for real.
Dried up.
It's getting deep in there.
Extra salty.
Okay, so whose is that? Yours? Oh.
You don't need no salt for that margarita.
That's disgusting.
I'm gonna use it.
You want me to turn the fire on now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Fire it up, baby.
Salt.
Okay, so he's making a michelada, but this is a virgin. You're making a virgin? I want a real one. I heard Sandra's a virgin.
There's no salt in here.
I just saw hella salt came in.
I meant pepper.
Oh.
So salt, pepper.
That's hella pepper. You about to be sneezing?
Pepper. Some tahini.
Some
I need to
tahini.
sit this down a little.
You know what?
Tahini. Put a lot, like you gotta make sure that like it's seasoned on top. Like my little tip is to basically cover the top with whatever that you're seasoning it with. So that's some tahini, some Tabasco,
How much?
just a couple of splashes. Salt, pepper, some Worcestershire. Some people don't, some people do, like my dad doesn't, but I do. A couple of yadadas of some Worcestershire. Salt, pepper, Worcestershire, Tabasco, tahini. Oh, some
And for a virgin, you use club soda.
a little bit of lemon. Some lemon juice.
That's lemon juice.
that fool hella fell on his ass.
Or this is lime, but same thing, just lemon. Or
Drop
lime.
that shit.
So you're gonna make me one too. But he's gonna put beer in one.
I don't know what this knife was used for.
I love.
Look it. Hey, Donna.
Did she
That's how you
finish?
make a virgin michelada.
Yeah.
Michelada.
You can make these for your kids. Like, if the adults are making micheladas and the kid's like, I want to try some, I want one. Make it with club soda. It tastes basically the
It's
same.
the same, yeah. Just make sure it's a cold club soda and not flat, or
I was
else
making
it'll
them for
be
Kelly
gross.
when she was pregnant. We'd all be making micheladas with beer, and Kelly can't have beer when she was pregnant, so I made her with them.
Now he's about to make me the real thing.
How'd you make that chicken? What kind of seasoning?
Some kind of garlic herb or something.
Smells good. This steak's for Kelly. I made steaks yesterday. I bought a 2-pack of steaks yesterday, and then I made one for myself, and then I'm making the second one for Kelly today. Then my baby likes steak, ribeye, so that's what I'm making her.
Your question was.
What kind of cake is this, woman?
Oh my gosh, that happened to my coworker Karen. She put a video cam outside her front yard.
What's up?
Oh, that was just tart.
What you doing?
Eating.
Who made you breakfast?
You.
Is it good?
Yeah, what is this? Hello.
Anyway, here you end the vlog. I'm always ending it.
What vlog are we ending?
This past weekend.
What? Thanks for. Can I do it whenever I'm? Yeah.
This is real.
No, turn it around. I didn't ask to end the vlog.
Anyway, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog like usual. Thanks for coming along with me to Hangtown this weekend, and then hung out with my parents for a little bit. And I don't know what else to say. Hit that like button if you haven't already hit it. Hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Hit that bell button if you don't have notifications on yet. And stick around for the next one. Peace.